Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Trades with Abdi. Today is November the 30th, Thursday morning. As you guys can see, our account is sitting at $28,223 as of this morning. We had a really nice trade yesterday for a profit of almost $1,300 on the day. So hopefully we finish off the month of November strong today, get some good trades in hopefully. With that being said, let's get right into it. So as you guys can see, I have Tesla, Nvidia, Google, and Netflix on the watch. So as you guys can see on the daily chart here on Tesla, yesterday we had some sell-off, broke through that 240, closed below that 244 level. So as you guys can see here on yesterday's chart, we had a decent pop towards the upside, but it was shortly lived. That sell-off began and it continued to sell even later on the day. Broke that 244 just right below that, and it closed. And as you guys can see, that consolidation continued into after hours as well as pre-market. But as you guys can see in pre-market, we are getting some pullback here. So what I'm looking for on Tesla is, if this sell-off continues to the downside, I'm looking for a break of that 244 level, as well as that yesterday's low, and possibly has a room down to that 240, and possibly might have a room down to that 234. But I'm looking for a quick scalp, so I want to get that break of yesterday's low as well as that 240 level. But if we do get some rejection off that 240, 250-ish level, and we continue the rally to the upside, I'm looking for a break of pre-market high as well as that yesterday's high. So that's what I'm looking for on Tesla. On Nvidia, as you guys can see, a really nice sell-off yesterday, consolidation. As you guys can see, we get some aggressive sell-off here in pre-market, looking for a break of that 479. It has a room possibly down to that 471. So that's the game plan. Market is gonna open here shortly, so I'm trying to go through this pretty quick. Google, aggressive pullback yesterday. If the sell-off continues, we do have that 135 key level, as well as that a really nice gap to the downside. So we might possibly fill the gap today, if not the next couple tomorrow or next week hopefully. And lastly, we got Netflix. Okay. So as you guys can see, Netflix, a really nice move. But as you guys can see, the past couple of days have been consolidating, getting rejection off that 480-ish level. We do have this huge gap up ahead. So if this rally to the upside continues, I'm looking for this gap to fill. We do have 500 key level right in the gap as well. That is a whole number, so that is a psychological number. So that's what I'm looking for. But as we are getting some pullback in pre-market, we do have a key level here at 466. So I'm looking for a break of that or a retest of that. But with that being said, market is gonna open here in about 20 seconds or so, and I'll see you guys if I do see any setups. So let's finish off the month strong. Okay, we getting a retest of that pre-market low. Looks pretty weak. Spike EQ starting to sell off. Come on. I'm in there 10 contracts at $7 even. Looking for a break of that 240 level, risking off that pre-market low. Just looking for a quick scalp. There we go. We got that break of 240. We are getting some pullback here on SPY. we do have a room down to that 234 level. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and sell 9 contracts there. So I still have 1 more contracts left, so I'm gonna just go ahead and let that last contract run possibly down to that 236. If we do get above that pre-market low, just go ahead and I'll just go ahead and exit the last contract I have. But just trying to get used to, you know, letting my winners run and whatnot. So we did secure that 438 on the day, so not bad at all. Alright, as you guys can see, looks like Tesla has found a support off that 240 level. We are getting some pullback, so what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and exit the last contract that I do have on the table. We're out the last contract at 680. So we did take a small loss on the last contract, putting our profit for the day at $416. So I'm gonna just go ahead and sit around. If we do get another setup, I'm gonna take a trade. Netflix kind of looking pretty good. But yeah, we'll see. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna be one and done on the day. I just want to do a little quick recap of this month. So November 1st to 30th. So our total profit for this month is $11,290. This is all the trades that I took this month. Some winners, some losers, but overall a really nice month. And there's a lot of days that I didn't take trades. Some I wasn't even on the market. Some are the days there was no setup. So it's always got to understand that just because you didn't take a trade that day or you took a loss doesn't mean you have to push it. You guys got to understand that the market is going to be there tomorrow and the day after. And also one thing, guys, stop over trading. That's the downfall of many traders, is that they overtrade. It's okay. Some days you're going to have small profits. Some days you're going to hit a home run. But at the end of the day, it's going to all add up. At the end of the month, at the end of the year, it all adds up. As you guys can see, we had a really nice profit on the 2nd. And we had a really good profit on the 3rd. But on the 7th, as you guys can see, we had a really small profit. No trade. We took a loss. Really nice profit. A decent sized small profit. A really nice profit. But these days, there was no trades. But as you guys can see, it all adds up at the end of the month. So just make sure you guys don't overtrade. Keep your losses small and do not let that spiral out of control. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.